So if you want to turn the wheel around here, explain the little problem that we found. So up here, if I get the ooh, what's the other way? What way was that? That way? Scraping.
Bring it down a bit.
That's quite a lot now.
You're not doing it now.
No, it's not doing that. Oh, that's it there. Yeah, cool. So we found that the exhaust bracket rubber had snapped and it was rubbing on the prop shaft. But it did sound like it was coming from the carrier, didn't it? Yeah. It did sound like it was coming from the actual brakes, but we traced it through and found that exhaust was rubbing just up there.